This single keyword I search for the thousands of times every month, and yet thousands of websites still ignoring it. And even more surprisingly, many of the websites ranking on the first page didn't get there just because they have wrote a better content, but they have choose the perfect keyword before they wrote a single word. Today I am going to show you exactly how I found the keywords using my free but powerful tools. By the end of the video, you will find how to stop guessing and get the perfect keywords and start creating content people are already searching for. Before we jump into the tools, let's understand what keywords actually is. Keyword is simply the words people type in the search engine. For example, best laptop under $1,000, how to lose belly fat. What is SEO? Every search starts with a keyword. Keyword research simply means finding those searches before you create your content. Because if nobody searches for your topic, Google has nobody to send to your website, and that's why the keyword research is a foundation of every successful SEO strategy. Let's say I have a brand new SEO blog. Instead of trying to find hundreds of keywords, I start with just one broad topic. For example, SEO. Now, SEO is far too broad to target direct. So your goal is to break it into a smaller topics and people actually searching for. This is where keyword research tools become incredibly useful. Not because they magically found rankings, but because they reveal what real people are searching. My first free tool I will use is Ahrefs, free keyword generator. I will type my random product topic, best running shoes. Within seconds, this tool gave me 5 of the keyword ideas, which is limited in free version. Now, here is something many beginners do wrong. They immediately choose the keyword with the highest search volume. Don't do that. Instead, look for keywords that are highly relevant to your website and realistic to your level. For example, instead of targeting simply best running shoes, a keyword like best running shoes for a man under $500 is a much more specific keyword. Specific keywords are more easier to rank for because they match exactly what someone is looking for. Now, I like to cross-check my keyword using another tool, and this time I will use Semrush. The free version gives you useful keyword data like search volumes, keyword variations, and related searches. The reason I use another tool isn't because Ahrefs is wrong, it's because different tools collect and estimate data different. If two trusted tools both suggest keyword is worth targeting, that's strong signal. I'm looking for 3 things. Does this keyword has a search demand? Is this competition reasonable? And most importantly, can I create a better page that is already existing in the first page of Google? Now, one quick question to you. Have you ever written an article that got almost no traffic? If yes, I would love to see if the keyword was actually a problem or not. Now let's go one step further. I will open Ubersuggest, my third free but very powerful tool. This tool is excellent for discovering longer and more specific keywords. Remember, ranking for 10 smaller keywords is usually better than choosing one giant keyword you will never rank. Now, after using these tools, you will have a couple of keyword ideas which has a good demand as well as a low competition. Now it's time to choose. I will always ask myself 3 questions. First, does enough people searching for this keyword? Second, can my website realistically compete with other competitors? And third one, can I create content that's more useful than what's already ranking? If the answer is yes to all these 3, that's the keyword I am going to target. So SEO isn't about finding the biggest keyword, it's about finding the smartest opportunity. Let's quickly recap. Start with one broad topic. Use Ahrefs to generate a keyword idea. Validate those ideas with Semrush. Explore long tail opportunity using Ubersuggest. Then choose a keyword that has a search demand, manageable competition, and matches exactly what your audience wants. Remember, keyword research isn't about finding random words. It's about understanding what people are already searching for and creating content that genuinely helps them. Master this one skill, and every article you publish from today will have a much better chance of ranking on Google. I always reply to each and every comment on my video. So if you have an SEO related issues, you can leave a comment below. I will read and reply as soon as possible. If you are looking for a more detailed SEO lessons, then this video it can be helpful.